How to choose which FREEWELL ND filter to use for your DJI Neo 2. We all know the general rule for natural-looking motion blur in videos, which is often called cinematic motion, is the 180-degree shutter rule, which states that your camera's shutter speed should be set to approximately double your frame rate. So we start by deciding which frame rate you want to use, then you can adjust the shutter speed. If we use 30 frames per second, then our shutter speed should be 1/60. Following this rule will definitely overexpose the footage. So now you can counter it by attaching the ND filter and see if the ND filter is just right. During my test, it was cloudy, just after rain, so it's not really that bright. ND8 is good enough, but I also tried 16 and 32. Here's ND16. Footage is now a little bit darker and maybe unusable. And now ND32. I had ISO fixed at 100, so 32 looks so dark. If you want to use 32, then you can adjust ISO. This is how it looks like with ISO 800. Since DJI Neo 2 has a small sensor, we don't want the ISO to exceed 800. As much as possible, use ISO 100. With 30 FPS, 1/60 shutter speed, and ISO 800, video is totally fried without the ND filter. Even at ISO 100, it is still overexposed. So following the same rule with another shutter speed, say with 60 FPS, we can adjust the shutter speed to 1/120, and we will have the same result. So again, we can use ND8. Hope you learned something from this short video. Do subscribe and see you on the next.